It was past midnight. The roulette tables buzzed with voices and the clatter of chips. The smoke, the lights, the chaos. It was dizzying. But I was calm. Or at least, that's what I like to believe. I had my last money on the table. I was moving chips from red to black, from numbers to columns, trying to find some meaning in the chaos. With every lost spin, my hopes sank deeper. But I didn't stop. I placed my last chip on a single number, and I watched the ball dance. Too slowly. It skipped, it bounced, and landed somewhere else. In just a few seconds, I lost everything. It was just me, the roulette table, and a heavy silence. I walked out into the night without looking back. I didn't even know exactly what I had lost that night. The money? Sure. But more than that, I lost the belief that I could control anything. And that's when I understood. The problem wasn't the roulette. The problem was me. The way I thought. The way I played. The next day, I started looking for answers. I started learning. I started seeing roulette not as an enemy, but as a challenge. 8 years later, I don't just play roulette. I control it. Why do I consider myself a professional player? Because for me, roulette is no longer a game of luck. It's not about impulse. It's not about hope. It's a system, a strategy, a discipline I never break. Day after day, without exception, I win consistently. At least 200 euros a day. It might not seem like much to some, but 200 euros a day means 6,000 euros a month. And it all happens online. I don't have to go anywhere. I don't have to wait. I play when I want, from wherever I want, however I want. I have the freedom that many dream of when they start gambling, but few ever achieve. Not because it's impossible, but because most people rely on luck. I don't. I rely on discipline, and that's exactly why I created the AXILON method. But listen carefully. The AXILON method is not for everyone, and it's not where you should start. Before you even think about the video method, you need to go through the course. Why? Because real winners don't skip steps. They don't look for shortcuts. They build a solid foundation before they play big. The AXILON course is not just theory. It's your real test of patience, discipline, and understanding. If you have the patience to read it, understand it, page by page, and pass the final 88 question test, you will be 10 times more prepared than 99% of those who keep losing at roulette. You will have clarity where others play impulsively. You will have a plan where others rely on hope. You will have control where others collapse. Without this foundation, the AXILON video method is just a list of steps. With this foundation, it becomes your secret weapon. It's not just about the strategy. It's about your mind, about how you approach every spin, every bet, every decision. This is what 8 years of mistakes and hard lessons taught me. Roulette is not a game of luck. It's a game for those who think, record, analyze, and act with discipline. If you have the patience to go through the course, to take every page and every question seriously, your chances of becoming a professional roulette player increase tenfold. And if you're not willing to do that, the truth is simple. You're not ready for the video method, and you're not ready for real consistent winnings. It all starts with one decision, the decision to invest in yourself, in your patience, in your discipline. You can buy the course right now. You'll find it in the link in bio. Read it, apply it, test yourself. And only then will you understand why AXILON is not for everyone. It's only for those who are ready to play.